Stop! Don't let your wedding budget explode. I'm turning the $0 trash into a $40 boutique favor right now. I rescued this for its heavy glass base. See this 750 mil mark? It's our mark of authenticity for this high-end transformation. Safety is my fortress. Stripping chemicals require heavy protection, so gray gloves are mandatory. Let's start the cleaning. Step 1. The strip. Scrub away the old identity until the glass is pristine. A luxury gift requires a perfect canvas.
Meet the architect. This is my ink atomizer. It applies the fixative layer with industrial precision. Accuracy is everything.
Wait, look at this mess. I soaked the paper too long and the ink dissolved. Never leave it in water for more than 5 seconds.
The slide. Gently move the film from the paper to the glass. This is the moment where the trash becomes a treasure.
Remove the air. Use a micro squeegee from the center out. If you leave a bubble, the gift will peel later. Be thorough. Thermal fixation. Heat setting the ink ensures it survives the wedding night and beyond. We are building for durability. The boutique layer. A frosted finish adds that Pottery Barn luxury feel. Watch the glass turn into expensive sea glass. Secure the seal. We're using a custom crimper to ensure the guest's gift is professional and airtight. Quality first.
Personalization is the key, adding the date in gold to match our main motif. This makes it a one-of-a-kind keepsake.
Secure the seal. We're using a custom crimper to ensure the guest's gift is professional and airtight. Quality first. The luster reveal. Bringing out that high-end shine. Look at that gold catch the light. This is the gift for guest standard. Sign your work. This copper tag proves it's an original handcrafted gift for guest creation. Quality and authorship guaranteed. Scalable luxury. You can make 50 of these for the price of one store-bought favor. It's the ultimate wedding secret. Retail, $40. Mason's cost, 50 cents for the paper. That is a total fortress win for your wedding budget. One old bottle, one atomizer, and a total boutique transformation. You literally cannot buy this quality in a store. The wedding favor is a dream. What's next? This old birdcage is hiding a designer chandelier. See you there.